ain't calling no names out, no.
Hey you guys, it's me, Teka Gordon, aka Rebelliously Teka, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just showing you guys how I do my individual braids. I usually do my braids when I'm just really tired of doing my hair, aka keeping it in this natural state. Because I usually keep my hair in like 2 braids and just keep it moving, throw a hat on, you know. But I'm just showing you guys how I do my individual braids when I'm just, feel like doing my hair. Right now I'm just parting my hair how I want my braids to be. I was pretty much trying to do like really big braids, but they came out kind of medium. So yeah, I just do it any type of way. I do smaller braids, I do medium braids, big braids. But today I decided to use the rubber band method with my hair. Usually I don't, but today I just wanted something, quick and easy and, just keep it in for like a good month or so and take it right back out. Right now I'm just putting down my gel, slicking down my hair, and, you'll see me put the rubber band after this clip. So now I'm just putting in my rubber band. And just securing it. Excuse my ashy hands. Girl, I don't know what happened. I wash my hands so many times that my hands just be so ashy. Like, excuse my hands, please. Just know that they're clean. And right now I'm just, just pulling it so that way the rubber band's secure. Now I'm just taking the hair, separating it, and just twisting it into one. That's how, the braid is secure in my hair. So you're going to take your hair and the braid hair and you're just going to start braiding the 3 strands together. And then once you reach the end of your own hair, that's when you'll combine the hair with your hair. I mean, you'll kind of see when we get to that point. If you want to know what kind of hair I was using, I'll link it down below in my description box. So now I'm starting on my other side of my head. I already finished the other side, so I'm just going to show you guys. And fast forward. There we go. Yeah. I'm just going to keep it at this motion, you guys, because I don't want this video to be too long. So, yeah. So I got tired of wearing the makeup I had on, and I was getting tired. I started braiding my hair kind of late in the day, like around the evening time. So it was almost time for bed. So I said, yeah, I'm taking this makeup off. So all I have now is the back to do. And I like to start the front first because I like to frame my face. So the back, I could just, do the back easy. But the front, I like to start off first because I like to frame my face. So I finished the back of my hair, and this is the finished look. I already dipped my ends in hot water so the ends can stay together. And yeah, that's how the ends look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.